standard type basement construction underneath a Victorian property. We have standard old London stock bricks with a slight slate DPC, which is probably now failed, allowing water to come up. These are the standard foundations one would expect on a property of this age. These are fairly deep, actually, about 700 millimetres. 700 millimetres along the party wall line. What we have done is to drop the basement down approximately an extra 2.5 metres. To do this, we have inserted concrete underpins with a concrete footing underneath the building. The gap between the old and the new has dry patch rammed in to prevent any further movement. It is done in small sections. There's one small section here. This section is about to be excavated. It's underneath the chimney breast, and you can see that additional props have been added underneath the chimney breast to prevent any further movement upstairs. We are slowly going to work our way round underneath the cross wall and the original soil that's there. You can see the old gravels and clays which sit on the darker London clay underneath. This is weathered London clay, which is brown in colour. This extends down to about 5 metres, at which point blue London clay, which is consolidated clay, will be found. The London clay at 5 to 6 metres is consolidated, which means quite a lot of the water, etc., has been pushed out of it. This was due to the enormous weight of the ice sheets that have come and gone over London over the last 100,000 years. At the moment, we're just about to cast a column in. Shuttering is up. Reinforcement is in, leaving the foundations as unpropped at the moment. This is what they mean by pinning. We have the old foundation, the clay in an unsupported hole, which will be filled with concrete. As you can see, there's the concrete working its way slowly around the building, and the next area is to be underpinned. You can see it's done in small sections with the underpin over there. We've got a section waiting to be pinned. In the temporary condition, we've got acros just making sure that no short-term movement occurs, against which we've got a concrete underpin with packing. Steel beams, etc., will be placed underneath the main building, taking the loads down through the property. On this occasion, we've got some rather nice steel columns going down to ground.